everyone, so I am at Lucky Bay Beach at the moment. I am just waiting for sunset to hopefully see some kangaroos. I'm staying here for 2 nights and then I'm moving into South Australia, which is super exciting. This video isn't really going to be much of a vlog. I might vlog a little bit of Frenchman Peak when I do it, but other than that I think I'm just going to leave it and show you all the aerial drone shots of all the beaches that Esperance and Cape Grande have to offer. So it should be a nice, short, but very entertaining one. Lucky Bay Campgrounds, which is where I'm staying, is one of the campgrounds in this national park. You can also stay at Cape Grande. I would prefer Lucky Bay over that because Lucky Bay is a lot nicer beach and it's closer to everything. Also, there is solar powered showers here, which have tiled bathroom floors, which is unheard of for a deep water campsite. So it's pretty much like staying at a caravan park, which is just pure luxury for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, if you want to see any more, don't forget to subscribe. You guys know the deal by now. Frenchman Peak. I will be climbing up to the top here somewhere, and it gives you pretty good views over Cape Grande Park. It's only a short walk, a 3-kilometre hike, and you do have to scramble over the granite dome at the top, so it's not recommended to do it in wet conditions because it's quite easy to slip and slide. However, it's quite nice today, so I think I'll be okay. The wind seems to be dying down too, so hopefully I'll be able to pop up the drone, but let's do it. I've done Frenchman Peak, and I've just realised I missed a whole section last time I came up here. Like, there's a whole entire cave with massive, like, really good views that I completely missed last time. There's two caves, so there's one at the top, which is the one I was at previously, and then when you go up a little bit higher, there's another one, and then you can actually climb to the summit of this. This is why you go and visit places more than once, because you miss out on things like this. Like, I can't believe it's massive too. I don't know how I walked past it and didn't see it.